What's up guys, it's Ivan. In this video I want to show you how to track conversions with your Bing and how to set it up. We will be using ClickFunnels for this. So I have my ClickFunnels landing page and my thank you page. So our conversion in this case will be putting in our tracking pixel on the thank you page, the Bing pixel, so we know that, hey, people successfully signed up, okay? If you're looking forward to a video on Bing and ClickBank, not a chance. I'll see if I can figure out a workaround around that. Bing and ClickBank, the integration process there does not work now. Okay, not yet. It used to before, it stopped, and right now it's kind of, as it says, deprecated, so it's not working. So I will just use ClickFunnels for now. So what we'll need to do is we'll need to go to shared library first, view audiences, so budgets, view audiences, and first thing we need to do, sorry, conversion tracking, not shared library. That's for remarketing. We'll get into that later. We need to create a UET tag. So a UET tag is basically, it is this code, okay? So let's create a tag. Let's create a tag name. So leads for our CB passive income. Description, you know, these are the people that signed up. Click save, okay. So here's this kind of nasty code. Same thing we used with Google, right? You can use a non-JavaScript. This is kind of like the ClickMagick type of code. Use either one. If the other one doesn't work, use the other one. I've been using the JavaScript one, and that's been working fine for me. So I'm just going to copy that. So I do that. I do Control C. Okay. Let's go to our page now. So actually, what I will do first is I'll actually put my pixel on every page in the header section. Okay, so I'm going to go to settings so I can put this code on every single page. And then what we'll do is we'll select a conversion goal, and that's where we input that URL. So I'm going to go here into the head tracking code. I'm going to put that there. And there you go. Okay, so this will apply this little Bing tracker on every single page we have. I'll click save and update. And we're good to go in this part, kind of like the Facebook pixel, right? Every one of those systems kind of works the same. So this page is just thank you. So now what we can do, now that we've done that, we'll say done. So we've created it. It's unverified yet. It's not set up. It may take some time to verify it. I'll try it now to see if it's going to work after we do the conversion goal. But if it doesn't work right away, don't freak out. It may take a few hours, right? Like it says up to 24 hours. Or like in the case with Google, like I told you, it took me a few days for it to work. But I was able to check using the extension, which I'll show you here as well. So let's go here. So now we need to create a goal, right? Because we've put our code on all these pages, but what's the most important one? What are we trying to track? So let's create click conversion goal. Let's say I'm going to go with a destination URL. So when they visit a page, enter a goal name. Okay, so again, I'll say leads for CB passive income. And I will say URL contains, right? I don't want to put equals because I don't know what people are going to put in. Are they going to put in www dot? Are they going to put in HTTPS / www? I don't know what they're going to put in. So I'm just going to take this thing without the HTTPS, you know, my main kind of domain name / thank you or whatever it is you're using, and put it here. That is it. You know, you can, if you have multiple accounts, just select which one. Enter how much each conversion is worth to your business. So again, same thing. You can, right? If the same person converts or buys several things, is that one conversion or is that those several number of times of conversions? Okay, so you can put that in. So each time it happens, it has the same value, and let's make it $1 or however much it's worth to. If it's not a landing page to you and it's a sales page, so when people buy, you can put in the actual purchase price here. Okay, and then for count, yeah. So that's that. Yeah. Okay. So sorry. So this is the one where I was talking about. If the ad clicks, then it's 1, and yeah. So this one, if someone buys items multiple times, it's counted as just one conversion. Here, if they buy multiple items, it's that many conversions. Over here, so you just put the value, or if the value varies, you would have to put in, and you would have to adjust your UET code. I'm not going to get into that now, but we'll just leave it at this so the conversion has the same value, okay, for now. So let's put in the conversion window, let's say 90 days. This is basically, right, people that come in, how if someone buys a product from you and then they come back 90 days later and they buy again, is that a conversion or not? Right? That's where this 90 days comes in handy. Now, the statistics for this will show up for that particular keyword for that ad group. So make sure you don't kind of delete your ads or delete your ad sets, because this conversion will show up for that ad group that happened within this 90 days, okay? If that's what happened, if the cookie is still on the person's browser. So that's the UT tag we're using here. It's 90 day. I'm going to click save, and we're pretty much done here. Okay, so here it says unverified. So one thing you can do is you can install this Google Chrome extension. It's called UET Tag Helper by Big Ads. You would just go into your Chrome, you would click on settings, extensions, and you would scroll all the way to the bottom, get more extensions, and you would just type this in. It's called, sorry, that's Facebook, UET Tag Helper, okay? So once you do that, what we can do now is we can actually check to make sure it works. It should. So let's click this page, and what I'll do is I'll click that, I'll click on, I will refresh the page, and it should have a little green there, which means it's set up properly. So that's that page. It says UET tag is set up properly. The tag ID 5649. Let's see if that matches anything. 5649 right there. Okay, so it should be working now. It says unverified, but it should be verified shortly. So that's about it. That's how you would set up your conversion tracking. And this would be, now this would show up if anyone buys from you, that would be, you know, 1 conversion or 2 conversions or whatever you set up. So I hope this was helpful for you. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. For those of you that have subscribed, thank you. I do appreciate it. And I will see you guys in the next video.